Hello guys, so today we'll be trading live on EURUSD, GBPUSD and crude oil. So let's begin. So I have not marked anything here and excuse the I have a dog and yeah, it's making noise. So yeah, so we'll start with the EURUSD start. We'll see what is happening. I have not marked anything. We'll see the weekly one. So in weekly you can see that it's clearly bullish in EURUSD. It's going up, took the support. Now Monday we could go down and the week can go up and break this high. Okay, and now currently it is in bullish. In the daily time frame it can come to this FEG and trace. It's showing a great momentum from this side. This has been induced. It has been a good major inducement, and yeah, it's still giving bullish structures. Yeah, we can look for buys here. There's no point. So you can see that this has taken this inducement here. It has created a strong break of structure. Yeah, everything suggests we need to go bullish here. And in the 1 hour also there was strong bearish candles, but it has been broken down with this thing. Also you can see that in 15 M15, yeah, it took this one and created an order block here. So we can look for buys in these areas, and the market has opened now. It's like 9 a.m. in Berlin time. So I am from Germany, and yeah, so we're looking for buys here. We'll be looking at 3 minutes time frame and EURUSD and GBPUSD, or 1 minute also is fine, but yeah. So internally now we can say that it's what to say. It's internally created a bearish structure. And in 15 minutes we have definitely bullish. It has created an internal structure. This was the internal structure. And the high which was created here, so we could expect some movement here. The idea is this can be act as a smart money trap because it's in the Asia high as well as the zone. Yeah, I think this will be taken care if it is withholding the bullish sector. If it is bullish, then definitely it will break. So we are trying to capitalize where it will get break. So if I want to buy in this region, I'll be looking to buy. Yeah, I'll mark the levels here also. From like 61.8 to 75, this region I'll buy. Below 61.8 retracement where it is in a discounted price. So we'll put an alert here. Let's see. EU for buy. Okay, so this is the criteria we have. It's a bullish structure. 1 hour is bullish. Whole 1 hour is bullish. Now we don't need to short here. That's one thing. If you try to short here, then the issue is that yeah, it's already bullish and the market came down to took the liquidity from here, and yeah, there's no point in going long here, going short here. Excuse me. That's that. And now next we can go for USDJPY. It's the opposite of what happens is that EURUSD and JPY USD are in inverse. It will be similar in structure. Okay, let's see. Yeah, same thing. We have bear structure in the weekly. Yeah, definitely to call the liquidity from here. We have a. This has been taken out. This has been taken out. Yeah, it's definitely. Yeah. Then let's see what happens in the daily time frame. Daily we can see that. So the reason which I'm showing is this because once we mark in the start of the week, then we don't need to make that much changes, because in H4 and H1 and daily we don't need to do it daily. So yeah, here what happens is, so the thing is that we need to look carefully that we are not biased, because we can see that our EURUSD is bullish, but then we should not think that the USDJPY is bearish. Okay, I see USDJPY here as bullish, definitely bullish. The reason being, just took here, just see here, it has all taken high. We have an equal high available here. We have an equal high available here, which can be a target to this. We could see this as a liquidity point. Yeah, this has a liquidity grab, but the only thing is that the momentum we are looking in the daily time frame. Let's see. Yeah, now here comes the issue. It took created a break here. We have, so the problem is that this is a whole, yeah, here I don't think we need to go long. That's the thing, we need to go short. Okay, 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is showing bullish. Whole trend is bearish. We can mark this as an external point. These are the ranges in the price in 15 minutes. We can say the whole trend is downwards. We have the liquidity here. This is a great liquidity. So there are many scenarios. One scenario is it can come down to this region, which can be act as an order block, or let's say buy side, and it can take and go up. The other scenario is this is the bullish side scenario, and the bearish side is it's already taken this, yeah, and it created a low, created another breakout structure, and I think it has taken this liquidity. So you can say that this is an inducement. Okay, this is an inducement, and with this inducement the price has fallen down. So we are currently in the bearish bias, and we can look to, actually we can take a sell from here because the whole trend is down. Yeah, why not? We get a confirmation, that is that. Yeah, we can definitely look for a sell. Yeah, we'll go one sell here. Let's get 10 points. For me, then 4 lot would be the let's see, what is the MetaTrader? I don't like using this app. What is MetaTrader? Yeah, M25. We can look for sells here, but I'm not. Let's see in the 1 minute what it's saying. Came here, took here. This is a strong reaction. This is also, yeah, definitely I can go for it. Definitely. USDJPY. God, I hate this thing. I hate this app. USDJPY trade. We are like 410 pips, so it's like we need to risk 400 in this 25k account, and we are selling it. Yeah. Why it's not selling? God, I missed this moment. Okay, I will modify it. I hate this. Oh my god. Yeah, modify the position. I'm still getting used to. Normally I used to have Windows laptop where I trade stuff. Okay, 100 points. My risk is 100 points. It's just giving, okay, 270. Modify. I'll sell one more lot. I'll sell. Oops. Got. That's too bad. Let's see. Let's keep it. I don't like this stuff. My risk has been increased. Not a fan. Okay, I am getting chopped here. Let's cover the stop loss. Only issue we have is that this is the inducement and we could have entered here, but we already got a it's a good trade. And let's see, I'll update in the my Twitter. That's a decent trade. Yeah, we'll update here. Okay, trade 355 USDJPY short. Okay, that's it. So we have a total of 4 trades per day, 4 or more trades, but we have a maximum cap of 2 losses. So if this is a loss, then I would have the ability to make one more loss and I'm done for the day. Simple as that. Okay, let it happen. We'll put an alert. We don't need to look at the chart anymore. I think we don't need to be doing that. It will get automatically be happening. So that's that. Let's see. Are we live? Yeah, live. Cool. Now we look at the gold. I really love trading gold. Okay, anyway, it's the same similar chart in bold. It's been consolidating. Took this high. Still trying to make this high, but it did not work. Then it went down, created lower low. This is the zones in daily. Yeah, this is a good place to sell. Okay, now let's go for the H4. What is H4 telling here? You can see that this is the whole trend down. It created a movement down here, and this movement is a very good inducement. This is a major inducement. This took low and it created a break of structure and gave a strong movement to the upside, and it came down and it reacted at 0.618 the golden ratio and took the liquidity here. Yeah, we are looking for buys. Definitely we are looking for buys. Took it here. Yeah, in the H4 there is no need, we need to sell from here. Okay, but there are scenarios where it comes down and took the liquidity from here. Now the question is, I'm definitely on the longs. See you. A break of structure here. Let's see in the 5 minutes what's happening. Yeah, this is an order block which got respected initially, then took it, filled this FEG and went up. We are definitely going bullish here. Yeah, and this becomes an order block now. I can take a long from here. The problem is, do I get the confirmation or not? Do I need the confirmation or not? Also, this is a break retest scenario. This one got broken. These are liquidity that took. Yeah, we can look for longs here, and this is taken out. We're going to look for long. What's happening to your USDJPY? Let's pick some more SL. It's not coming, man. I have no idea. Yeah, I'll leave the page. Cool, this took the liquidity. Now if the price wants to come down, it can come down. My risks are a little bit high. Like I said, I did not intend to do that, but trade 1 SL UJ. Okay, we have that, and we'll go to break even once this hits here. Here we want to break even. So USD, and again I will not take another EU or UJ trade because I want to take one in Forex and another in the future. So definitely my next criteria would be to take it in the gold. So gold or crude oil. Okay, now this is crude. Now let's look at the crude. What's happening? The reason I did not mark all this is because I just want to show it how I am marking these stuffs. That's the reason. Normally I would have marked it yesterday and I'd be prepared, but this was because this is a new thing for me, live trading, and it's really different. Not that very uncomfortable, but I'm getting used to it. So that's that. So we have a bullish breakout structure. Come here, we have this. This is a small order block. I don't know. I think it's get respected here. It's in daily. We don't care about daily much because we are intraday intersession traders. We trades in between the session, and in H4 we can say that it's clearly something has happened in okay. It's in the gold. Like I said, now we see what's happening. Now we have decisions to make. Now that's the thing. So you can see that it's going down. We have, but now let's see. We have the liquidity down here. The price come here. It create a good confirmation. This FEG was taken out. I can look for buys in this area. I'm perfectly fine with this. If I want to take the entry, I could enter here. That's the thing. Do I need to take entry here? No. We'll wait for the confirmation because this fall is big. And this is a great zone to buy. Because it just inverses the FEG from here. It's a CISD. Good. Now we need confirmations. So what are we looking now? That's the question. Here we can expect like this, and we will enter from here. That's the first scenario. Okay, the next case scenario is we come here, touches here, created a breakout structure, and we'll enter from here, and this would be our target. Do you want to? I'll go with this also. Say suppose if it comes here and it created like this, I'll go long here. This is my stop loss, this is my entry, and this is my target. Okay, this is a breakout structure. That's one way. Another way would be it come down here, it created a break, and I'll come enter here. This would be the break, this would be my entry, and this would be never, 61.8% area also. So that's that. So that's that. Let's see what's happening. So we are looking for buys in gold. And again, so like I said, we have many scenarios where we can say this is the buys. Now what about the sell buys? If we can create a narrative for that. See, you can see that this is a huge movement. So if you want to sell, this is a huge movement. This is like in the premium section. We can sell from here. There is no problem with that. Now this has created a bearish order flow, and it came here. This is an order block. took here, come giving the reaction, and yeah, definitely, and here it took the inducement. Now let's say if the price comes here, you could now say suppose in this section it has already given entry confirmation. Now if you want, you could enter. If you want enter here, you can enter here, and yeah, that's it. 678, yeah, that's a good entry. Now this is the problem. What shall we do? That's the reason we just need to go to the higher time frame, and let's see what's higher time frame is telling me. Here we could see that the whole trend is bullish. Okay, so now we are going and aligning with the whole trend. The whole trend is bullish. It created a breakout structure. It can still go up in the 130 minutes. Let's see what's in let's see in 30 minutes also. It created the whole trend may be, this internal trend may be down, but it has created a breakout structure to the upside and it took all the liquidities from here and took the entry from order block. Yeah, so definitely we don't need to go for sells here. And again, the reason is this. Now how do we confirm the entry here? So suppose if you want to buy here, if you buy, then it becomes too aggressive because we don't know what's going to happen. For that, what we need is to have a confirmation on the buy side. That's right, we are waiting for the confirmation, and I'll take 2 trades here, and this MGC1 because yeah, I have a TradeAway account which I already withdrawn money, and now I need to have $800 stop loss, $800 drawdown, because once I took the money from my funded future, it will just it will just $800 available, and now I need to make 3,100 for the another withdrawal because there is a buffer of $2,100 needed. So we have this gold future available here. Now let's see, look at the 2 minutes time frame. Yeah, 2 minutes you can see that the momentum which the price went is really good here. It's good. Yeah, this can be a good place to buy, or if you want, this is a good place to buy. Now this is the futures chart, and here also you can be. These are the 2 places if you want to buy, the best place. Now again, we are looking for it. Somewhere around we'll get it. Here I'll be risking $200. Which is like 13 lot. 13 lot, $200, and yeah, let's see what happens. What's happening? Oh, did I hit my SL? Ah, my god, it took and hit the SL. Yeah, that is bad. That is real bad because my entry should have been here and it should have been covered. That was not good. I have lost money here. How much I lost? So 19, 20, 21, what is this? 25 August. That was not good. That was not good, guys. That was not good. Because my entry, I'm not okay with this thing. As you can see here from my analysis, which I posted here, it did not touch this. Yeah, anyway, that's too bad. That's I still would have got. Yeah, let's see what happens to this trade, because as you see, you can hear that I did not, myself did not triggered. Okay, that's fine. We can mark as trade 1 as a loss, but I'll update according to this in the Twitter. Now let's see what happens. EURUSD. EURUSD is turning bullish, but this is too high for a time to sell. Ah, man, that was crazy. This is what happens. We have bad luck. No, this is a clear sell side because you have the liquidity come here, and you can see that it's beautifully respecting the 618 here. The inducement has happened. Yeah, it was a good trade. Yeah, now this is beautiful. Now we can go for it. No, we can go for a low. Create limit order 1, 2. Okay, and lot we buy. What dude? Yeah, this thing has limit size seems. 10. Man. MGC, I hate these things happens. MGC. Trader weight. GC. Let's go with GC then. How much will it risk? Yeah, 130. 260. Let's buy here. Go for 1, 2. Buy. Okay, so this would be our second trade. I'll tell the reason behind this entry. 1:2 is our target. Oh my god, I really want to take it in the this one also, MGC, but yeah. Man, this EURUSD just is not good. Anyway, I incurred one loss here. Arisat, I'll get soon break even. That's that. The EURUSD has almost given confirmation, and we could go for long here. Now let's see what happens in the gold future. Yeah, man, we have the limit available. We can take 2 trades in GC micro gold, MGC 2 lot. Buy.
Order filled.
Oh my god, I'm losing the precision here. Let's see. Anyway, I need to do this. Yeah, let's keep that as 340 because if you got 340, 1:2 would be like 680. Yeah, now we'll post that rate. What, man? Market order executed. Hey, what happened? I'm not. Hey, why is this happening, man? Yeah, but my initial entry was here. Okay, that's one thing. Anyway, I'll post this in my chat. I don't know what's happening here. I made some money, $850 something, but I don't know. Let's leave it here. Let's see what's happening here. Anyway, we'll post this in our Twitter platform. What the hell, man? Sell order. What the heck is happening? You have any orders? Dude, that is hurting me. What the hell? I don't know what's happening here, man. Oh, that's really crazy. Dude. How to avoid this stuff? I'm losing money now. $100 for nothing. I'm not executing any trades. Am I getting hacked? Fuck, man. I'll go to MGC. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's because I pressed some button. Yeah. Fuck, I pressed the button. Whew. Oh my god, I think that's the reason I am trying to screenshot and these buttons are together and oh my god, I'm messing it up. Okay, trade 336, trade 356, gold long. Fuck. Once the price hit here, we are going a break even. And this would make me sad. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we did not get any confirmation from here, but yeah, it's going selling now. Good. We could look for buy from here. And again, I don't know how much money I lost from here. Yeah, I'm trying to trade in mobile for sure. Yeah, it's too bad. The Mac interface is not good. Should show history, right? Where is it showing history? Seven, 8, 20. Today is 25. Where is 25? 22. I don't know, man. It's crazy. I'm not gonna trade in that. Anyway, I'll trade in mobile for sure. Okay. Oh, we need this to happen. Good. Yeah, that's no point. Let's move it to break even. How do we need to do it? Let's keep it there. And my daily drawdown. Let's see. So let's see what are the position available here. We have one trade which is 200. It's fine. What's happening here? Yeah, I'm getting the live. I'm checking my phone. 35 minutes. Cool. Yeah, I think it's going long, man. This will get taken out. That's fine. Yeah, I'm not confident in this trade anymore. That's it, break even. Yeah, I'm not. That is, if you are not feeling good to it can come down and yeah, it can mess it up. I have my reasons. It just went down, and this can act as a retracement. Ideally, we could go for go short here. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's almost done. One more tick and yeah, it definitely gone.
Order filled.
Yeah, order failed. I still hit that break even. And I'll put the video URL here. Is it working? Oh yes, it's working. Yeah, look, we are looking for buy from here only. There is no other point. And I need to leave in half an hour, so my streaming will end in half an hour. We have been trading for I don't know how many times, so many minutes before. 39 minutes. Yeah, we'll around make it short for 1 hour. So I fucked up. Now what I want is I want a reaction from here. I'll go for sell here. Perfectly fine with that. 15 minutes is in our direction, 1 minute in our direction. Beautiful. Yeah. Let it come up, give some reaction. I can trade. Or if you want, you can enter a short from here and keep this as entry. Let's see what's happening in gold. Yeah, that's the reason the reason which we went for break even is that this is a huge high, this is a huge bear. Yeah, I think we can go for shots in. Let's see what's happening in crude oil. Took this high, create a breakout structure. 5 minute. Yeah, we can go for a shot. Let's see. Crude. Crude can be so good in this section. Okay, 12. Let's see. Take it from here, create a breakout structure. Where do we have the confirmation? Take it. We need the confirmation route. Cancel from here. One, two. Yeah, I'll put the limit order here. This would be my SL to BE. Okay, I'll tell the story. This trade does not get activated. See here in 15 minutes. Yeah, I just took all these liquidity, come here and created a very strong movement, created an entry breakout structure here in the 15 minutes. So this take profit modified. Yeah, I got the entry here. We'll go in 5 minutes. These are too many. What to say? This the liquidity has been taken here, and the entry, the reaction which it gives is really strong. Yeah, I'm okay with this. This whole thing, it just went down and break. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay trade. We will post it in. So this would be my last trade if it loses for the day. Trade 357. Crude oil. Short. My question is, do I need to take that trade from here? Yeah, why not? 2, 3 lot. Crude oil. Here it is available. Sell 3 lot.
Order filled.
It has already taken care of it. We'll put it at 800. 810. We already marked, right? Now we are looking for what magic will the crude oil brings. And now let's look at what's happening in gold. Okay, the gold has printed liquidity here, created a strong. I created a small breakout structure, strong movement to the downside. Yeah, definitely we can go for short here. Yeah, I want to go short here, but we have already trade here, right? I cannot take a trade anymore, so I really want to go short. Yeah, this can be a good place to go short. This liquidity as a target. We can move the SL to break even after either one of them get hit. And the raw liquidity would be like, yeah, somewhat it's good for H1. Yeah, this can be the low. Yeah, that's good. Let's see in the crude what's the Just a second. This is not going well in my
Order
side.
filled.
Okay, yeah. I'm done for the day. Okay, let's see what happened here. I thought this would stick here. My entry was early, it seems. Yeah, this should have been my entry. I was. The FOMO kicked in maybe. Maybe in 1 minute, if we have a confirmation, we could go for short. But anyway, I'm not going for short again. That's one thing. My trades are done, 2 trade loss. There's no point in taking any more trades. Yeah, we'll sit there for 15 more minutes and yeah. Yeah, EURUSD I am. Yeah, going for long, man. This is 410 lot. Let's trade one more trade. EURUSD. 10 buy. Man, it's slow. Man, that's the worst rate. I took the because it showed a good place. Here was a good entry. I should have taken. Yeah, this live trading, it's not working out for me. I think I am concentrating on different stuffs. I think I should stop it. Yeah, man, that's within 2 minutes I got stopped out. It was pure bullshit. What about gold? What's happening to the gold? Yeah, this shot would have worked out. Oh my god. Not a good day. Few mistakes. Yeah, while talking and doing this is a real different stuff, and I don't know whether I can still do it. Yeah, I'm done for the day. I had made losses. I cannot do that anymore. Trade loss -1%. Yeah, not a great day. We initially, which was our target, got it. This would have been a fantastic entry. Yeah, I wanna go short, man. I wanna go short badly. This would be my trade. 200 points, or let's just cover this hell up. This is a low. Yeah, it did not work out. This can be a good trade, but sadly, I am not in the game anymore because managing the losses is the one thing which you really need to take care. So I did not do it really well on that aspect also. So yeah, that this was supposed to be my good trade. Took the liquidity, create a breakout structure. Here USD. Yeah, like I mentioned now, this was the place where I was supposed to go long initially in the markings, and I went short, and I went got long here. Yeah, I was too. Yeah, we can expect a buy from here. Before that, we need to find a two entry confirmation and then trade it. Yep. Yeah, I think there's no point in seeing the chart and then taking another one more trade. And yeah, one more thing is that since we lost here, what we really need to do is okay. Yeah, we need to put a lockout. because we already taken the trade, and we'll put not one 11:24 a.m. 9 hours. Yeah, lock me out. That's it. So now I won't be able to trade. Now that's a really good thing. I have 1200 left in my drawdown, which makes me 4 more trades. Okay, it's fine. 4 more trades is good. Now let's do the regular stuffs today. Hmm, 425. Yeah. Now which day it is? I'm having a, what to say, a losing streak. Day 6, loss 400 plus USD. It's fine though, but let's see. We'll see and see what happens. Okay, so see you guys maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure whether to resume this stuff. And yeah, that's it. So have a nice day and take care. Bye.